The Family Learning Team proudly presents Superhero STEM! During this program, families will have a chance to work together, have fun problem solving, be creative, and learn new activities to try at home. Calling out superheroes! Calling out superheroes! Calling out superheroes! Welcome, my super friends! Today, we are going to learn how to be a superhero! First, I'm going to tell you a story about my super friend, Supertato!
Supertato by Sue Hendra. Some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. Don't believe me? Then keep reading. It was night time in the supermarket, and all was quiet. But... crash! Bang! Something had escaped from the freezer. Something small and round and green. Something looking for trouble. Big trouble. "Help! Help!" cried Carrot. "I'm stuck to the conveyor belt."
"Ah!"
cried Broccoli.
"Someone's drowned on me face!"
cried Cucumber. Who was doing this? And was there anyone who could help these vegetables in distress?
Supertato! To the rescue!
He used his super speed. He used his super strength. He used a flannel and some soapy water.
There you go. I know who's behind this,
said Supertato.
"There's a pea on the loose."
"Oh no, not a pea!" everybody gasped.
Yes, a pea. But I'm out of the freezer now, and I'm never going back.
And the evil pea ran off to commit more terrible crimes.
Time for a dip, little veggie.
"That's enough!"
shouted Supertato. He leapt towards the pea, but the pea popped out of his hands and vanished into thin air. Supertato set out on a super search. He crept through the cakes, checked the cheese, and snuck up on the beans. Then something caught his eye.
"The game's up!"
yelled Supertato. Kapow! But Pea bounced out of reach and onto a trolley. Supertato was just about to stop him with his super strength when the trolley crashed and he was thrown down into the icy depths of the freezer. Was this the end for Supertato? Gasp! Not quite. But the pea was off his trolley and lying in wait.
You're finished, Supertato.
He shrieked, but Supertato summoned up all his strength and ran for it. The pea nearly had him at the beans and closed in on him at the cheese. He had him cornered at the cakes.
So much for Supertato,
screeched the pea.
You're about to be mashed potato.
Surely this was the end for Supertato.
"Not today, my friend,"
said Supertato.
"Gotcha!"
said the pea.
"Oh yes,"
said Supertato.
"I set my trap and you fell for it. Or should that be in it?"
And then grinned a super grin. Ding! Supertato had saved the day.
"Take him away,"
he said, and the pea was marched back to the freezer where he belonged.
"The slightest of pea,"
said Broccoli, and everybody laughed and cheered.
Hooray!
So remember, folks, Some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. Maybe you better go and check your freezer, just in case there's an escapee in your house.
Wow! Supertato is truly amazing! What do you think you need to do to become a superhero? Here are some things you can do to become a superhero. You can be brave, you can be honest, you can eat healthy, and you can help other people. Now you know what you need to be a superhero. I want you to create your very own superhero. Think about the costume. Do you have any special powers? Do you have any special gadgets? And what are your own superpowers? Help! 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 The evil Dr. Ice has kidnapped my friend Supertato and turned him into an ice cube. Can you help me find a way to rescue him and save the city? Hurry! We don't have much time! I have managed to find some information about Dr. Ice. See if you can find any clues to help you defeat him. Help you on your quest. See if you can answer these questions. What is ice? What does ice feel like? Where can you find ice? What can you use ice for? Here are some facts about ice. Ice is just frozen water when it drops to 0 degrees Celsius in temperature. As ice starts to form, it expands. Snowflakes, hailstones, and icebergs are all made of ice. You can build houses with ice, which are called igloos. Freezing foods can keep food fresher for longer. For this experiment, you will need 4 ice cubes, 4 containers, salt, sugar, and oil. Step 1. Place 1 ice cube in each of the containers. Step 2. Add your ingredients to each of the containers. 1 for salt, 1 for sugar, 1 for oil, and 1 is the control, which means no ingredients. Step 3. Watch and record which ice cube melts the quickest. After you have completed your experiment, discuss what happened when you added the ingredients, which ice cube melted the fastest, and if there's any other ingredients you could use. Well done! Thank you so much! You have saved Supertato, defeated Dr. Ice, and saved the city! You truly are the world's best superhero! Thank you for joining us from everyone at the Family Learning Team!